Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum to Prof. Ahmad Rashdan and Dr. Mazatul Akmal. I'm Nur Ain Syafiqah binti Muhammad Ash'ari with matric number H184B0347. Today I'll be presenting the hazard identification, risk assessment and risk control, which is HIRAC. So basically, I choose F&B company to conduct this HIRAC. The company I choose is located around Kuala Lumpur. With the nature of business, kiosk fast food. Name of the kiosk is 5-minute kiosk. So the first hazard I found is biological hazard. Biological hazard. This hazard I found when the activity, the worker with the customer having contacting with the customer during COVID-19. COVID-19 is a widespread disease that may affect infection by the respiratory system. So the existing control provided by this company is mask, which is a personal protective equipment. The likelihood is 5 and the severity is also 5. So the risk is indicated in rate 25, which is in danger, high risk. Suggestion on this is based on hierarchy of control. To eliminate this hazard, it's impossible because the cure of COVID-19 are not yet found. Next, substitute. I suggest to the company to their business by doing online to avoid contacting with the customer. Next is isolation. Workers are not feel well should give a sick leave to isolate, and also can be done by implementing administrative control by doing job rotation and practice hygienic with changing masks regularly. So the availability of opportunity that may arise in this hazard have two, positive and negative. The positive side is if the control and action success are to be taken, the company can expand their business and will have good rating among the society workers. And the negative effect is if the control and action could not be taken, the company might face the bad rating from the society and worker. The company might need to close their business due to bad rating. Next hazard is chemical hazard. The activity that associate with the chemical hazard is making waffle and frying. This hazard coming from cooking oil fumes. Cooking oil fumes can affecting breathing system and dizziness because of lack fresh air. Not only that, fumes can also cause pneumonia if the worker were exposed for long term. The existing control is fan. Fan can help to reduce the fumes by entering the respiratory system of worker. The likelihood for the hazard is 5 and the severity is 3. Risk injury is rate 15, which is still in high risk. The suggestion to control this providing the good ventilations, and this ventilation is good to maintain good quality of air. The positive opportunity that may arise is if the control can be taken, the productivity of the worker may arise and it can reduce the risk of pneumonia disease that caused by fumes. Negative effect, if the control and action could not be taken, the worker may decrease their motivation and productivity because of the low quality environment. The third hazard is ergonomic hazard, which is I found this hazard while the workers storing the stock at a low place. Why this is ergonomic hazard? Because when the worker store the stock in the low place, they will kneeling and squatting. So kneeling and squatting can affect hurt on joint and knee. So it will be put tension around the knee and joint, and it may cause osteoarthritis. The existing control is chair. Chair can help worker to get the right position. For the likelihood is 4 and for the severity is 3. So the risk rate is in 12, which is medium. The positive opportunity is lower rate turnover and negative is high rate turnover. The suggestion is rotation work, knee pad, change storing place at suitable height. Next is physical hazard. This hazard come from activity frying. This hazard happen when the hot oil splash to the skin, to the open skin, and it may cause burns. The existing control is apron, which is PPE. The likelihood is 5, severity is 2. The risk at the rate 10, which is medium risk. Suggestion of control by administrative control by following the policy of safe work and by personal protective equipment, which is PPE, like providing safety boots and heat resistant gloves. The opportunity that may arise in positive opportunity is if the control can be taken, the rate workplace incident can be reduced, and it can reduce company cost healthcare financing. Negative opportunity is if the incident happen, the worker may sue the company because not providing the appropriate PPE, and the company cannot charge the worker for the thing done provided under Section 26 Safety and Health Act 1994 and Act 514. Last hazard is psychological hazard. This hazard happen because of the environment factor. The activity found that related with this hazard is sitting at the cramped places. The work environment of this company is suffocated and it may cause stress in short term. The existing control is fan, where the fan can reduce heat stress that may cause at the cramped place environment. The likelihood is 3, severity is 2, and the risk at the rate 6, which is yellow zone or medium. Suggestion on this hazard is employee can give motivation by asking workers how they feel, rewarding them to boost their mood, put enough lighting, and paint the wall with a cool tone color. The opportunity that may arise is positive opportunity when the company performance increase because of the workers are motivated and not feeling suffocated in the workplace. The negative opportunity is the company may face low performance because of worker demotivated to work in the cramped place. That's all. Thank you for listening, and Assalamualaikum.